friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about DeepCool LT520 and LT720 AIO CPU cooler. So friend, DeepCool has announced all-in-one liquid CPU coolers to enthusiasts, gamers and visual content creators who are looking for extreme cooling performance and low noise level for their builds, and with a uniquely looking multi-dimensional infinity mirror pump cap. And friend, these coolers continue to deliver outstanding cooling performance built upon our 4th generation water pump design, featuring new flow channels with an optimized skin copper block paired with a powerful 3100 rpm 3-phase drive for solid thermal capacity and high dynamic performance. 4K 120 fluid dynamic bearing fans are finely tuned for static pressure performance. Topping it off, introduce a uniquely looking pump cover with new multi-dimensional infinity mirror design sparks mesmerizing visual effect. And friend, the LT Series AIO is built on 4th generation water pump designed by DeepCool that maximize cooling performance, and the pump design contains a powerful 3-phase motor that can pump up to 3100 rpm and improve microchannel layout, ensure optimal coolant flow, and a thick solid copper base with a seamless match and one-of-the-kind block cover design featuring multiple infinity mirror on various surfaces that reflect million of color for visual new experience, and the geometric reflection glow with RGB lighting for a new look. And friend, this cooler support most major RGB synchronization software to coordinate your colors and control different lighting effect to match personalize your system. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the 720 model is priced at $139 and 520 model is priced at $109. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.